In this video, I will show you how you can send a Google Meet invitation to your contacts. Send Google Meet invitations to your friends, family and other contacts so they can download the app and you can start video calls with them. For doing this, open the Meet app. Here, make sure that you have the new Google Meet app instead of the old Meet app. Search for a contact name or a dial number. Search for a contact's name or dial a number. You can dial a number or you can use the search bar to search a number. Here I am typing a number. Tap invite next to your chosen contact. Tap compose an invite. You can choose other app to share your Meet calling invitation. You can adjust the language in the invitation, but don't alter the link address or your contact won't be able to add Meet. Select the contact and tap send. Your contact will get the invitation. You won't be able to start a video call with your invited contact until they set up their own Google Meet app for video calling. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can send a Google Meet invitation to your contacts. If this video helpful for you, please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.